Let's face it, executive bloat is killing businesses in America, especially in automotive and tech. When Elon Musk took over Twitter, he cut out half the staff, and guess what? It's still running. The car business, it's no different. Smaller software companies come in and they start out with these big promises, but as soon as they take investor money or get bought out by one of the big guys, the mission changes. And suddenly it's not about you, the dealer, and it's more about padding the pockets of those investors and executives. That's not TECOBI though. We don't have any OEM deals. We don't have any investors. And we sure as hell don't have any executives out playing golf today while dealers struggle with bloated software and dwindling profits. TECOBI wasn't even supposed to be a software company. We actually started as a marketing company generating leads for dealers from Facebook and Instagram. But here's what we saw. 80% of the dealers couldn't convert the Facebook and Instagram leads. It was because the software that they're using was garbage. What we built with all of our clients over the past 8 years is a software platform that can replace almost half of all the software you use in your dealership. And it does a better job. And even better, we don't even have long contract terms. Everything's month to month. If our software isn't performing, just walk away, no strings attached. So if you're ready to cut through the crap, simplify your software tools, and take your dealership into the future, click that Learn More button. I'm gonna personally send you a text message, and I'll show you how TECOBI can change your business and help you trim some fat, and help you trim out some of that fat.